And the KBP Golden Dove Award for the Best FM Radio Station, Metro Manila, goes to... Parang excited ako, ano? FM po ito.
FM. Sir. Monster Radio RX 93.1, Audiovisual Communicators Incorporated.
Masarap talaga yung feeling eh. Let's wait for the others. Thank you, Lord. And thank you to our parents for teaching us to do the right thing. At ito po ang bunga. We offer this to the very, very hardworking staff of Monster Radio RX 93.1. Ito po sila. At nandun po yung mga iba. Nandito. Ayun. And we'd also like to offer this to our awesome, awesome listeners and our very, very loyal advertisers. It is now official that the KBP has been monsterized. Thank you very much, KBP.